does all the noise, Sammy? That's a generator. Had a heck of a storm come through here, and the wind is ridiculous, so bear with me here. I'll let that generator run out of fuel. It's a 9400 watt. It's actually a construction generator, but I got it because of 220. That cable right there splits off to these two cables, and then splits it out to 430 amp sockets. And then I run cords wherever I need to. Nice little storm that came through here though, if you look. That's my fiber optic line. It goes on that pole down there. I guess it snapped and for some reason slingshotted all the way over here. Into the front yard. And it goes down there, way down there, and stops. There was a bird over here that got injured. So I thought, when it stopped raining, I left it. It's gone. That's good. I did get the yard mowed before the storm hit. And all these branches are small enough to mow over. My roof is a big issue. It needs replaced and I don't have the money to do it. Looks like I lost a shingle there. Other side's the same way. So we're good. I'm going to get the window unit taken out of the house and get it put back up in the shop. You know, that generator is big enough to run everything I needed to except for central air. Takes a few minutes to deploy all these cords and it's good to go. Blue buckets in my tote down there. Wonder if it tore up any of this roof. That roof looks okay on that side, so we're good. Anyways, nice little bit of storm damage. Memorial Day weekend 2024. Got a couple more rounds coming through, but supposedly this first batch was the roughest. Anyways, I'm gonna get some stuff cleaned up around here. We'll catch you guys next time. You guys be good and be safe. Have a great day.